Scenario, definition, scenario in a sentence, scenario, pronunciation, scenario meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of scenario. Scenario. sce-na-ri-o. Scenario. Scenario as a noun means a setting or situation, or an imagined sequence of events. Common usages in academic writing: a possible scenario, an unforeseen scenario, to imagine the scenario, to explore various scenarios, to consider the scenario where. Example sentence, scenario, noun. Our team came up with 5 possible scenarios of how the project could fail. Example sentence number 2, the unforeseen scenario made us cancel our plans. Example sentence number 3, when planning for the future, you must consider many different scenarios. Please write a sentence using scenario in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of scenario, the meaning of scenario, and scenario example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.